and welcome to the north coast of the Dominican Republic. Phil here from DR Property Guys, and today we are at one of the most sought after oceanfront gated communities. We have a 2-bedroom condo to show you. It's ground floor. Let's not waste any time and take you for a look around. Head this way and take a look around. For more information about this ground floor 2-bedroom condo and this oceanfront community with amazing facilities, please check the description beneath. You can also find us at drpropertyguys.com, and if you've enjoyed this video, please do us a huge favor and hit the like, share and subscribe button.